as you know, now we are starting from the meshing section. So basically this session of the meshing is take huge time, but we try to cover, and we will try to sort. Basically this session of the meshing is take huge time, but we try to cover, and we will. One second. So fine. So first of all, what is the block mesh? So first I want to just demonstrate, then I will do some practical thing in the let me know this one, just 1 second. So 1 second, just time. Yeah, okay, fine. So yes, first as you know, block mesh. Basically block mesh, what is the block mesh? Basically block mesh is a utility which is create the geometry of the meshing of an object in OpenFOAM, right? So basically like you have the other tools like to create the geometry, right? And after creating the geometry, you need to do the meshing, right? So for that purpose we use the BlockMesh utility here. So BlockMesh mean suppose BlockMesh BlockMesh you need to create the geometry. Then this geometry, then this mesh it can be used for your flow analysis, right? And how you are going to first you can make just 1 second. Let me open. So first, whenever you are working and whenever you are exploring any command, any utility, just you can get the first if you are initial phase of learning or exploring this OpenFOAM, just to get the help of that command, particular that's it. First is this one. So so side by side I'm taking the this one. Suppose we are working with the block mesh. Now suppose we are taking the OpenFOAM, as you know, right, I have explained you two versions, OpenFOAM community version and foundation version. Foundation version is 10, so and community version is like 20 to 12. Both are the latest one. So I am taking suppose 10. So OpenFOAM 10 you need to know. So I am using OpenFOAM 10. So now what you have to do? So suppose I am going to my this is not work by CD. I am going to the my working directory. Why is it having some issues, I think. Okay, now we are in the working directory, right? Suppose if you want to first BlockMesh, first what I told you, just go to the BlockMesh. Just type a block. Actually, some issue I'm failing to typing. I don't know. BlockMesh. You can BlockMesh just put the help. Then you will get the all information about the BlockMesh, whatever the utility you are using. So all the information, see, BlockMesh is the utility. So then then options. So what are the options are available? Option what are the here you can mention here. So first mean block as you know this name by name itself, BlockMesh, right? BlockMesh mean block, you need to create the block then meshing. So suppose I will take this 1 second, this one. This session I will demonstrate this one. So peace. So create this block, and this is the back side, right? So suppose see, you can see, so there is a one way, right? So I will tell you both the things. So first, suppose if you understand that, then you will get all the information. So like you can see, this is the origin, right? And this is demonstrating. So as you are seeing the different thing, right? So if I make it the similar way, just wait, I will put the similar way. And we can take black one, blue one, oh sorry, it's not work, right? This so because this one, so suppose this is the origin, I'm just putting the number, this is 0, no, this is the origin suppose, and you can see this is the similar way. If you draw, you need to follow this thing. What is this? Orientation. This is Y, this is Z, this is X. You always remember this. So either it basically this is the point, this is the point, and this is the point. So and you can see just I will take this number. So see, I am giving the some different color. We are taking red, X is red, this is Y is blue one, and this is red, and this is, suppose this is Z1, Z is Z1. Now I am giving I can explain anything, just you need to remember only this way, this orientation. So anything you any shape, any size, but you need to follow this this orientation. So like how you will naming, suppose this is the origin, this is the I am taking the origin part, this red color, I will take the red. So for this, so suppose this is the origin in the both case, origin. So suppose if you proceed this, so like this is the origin, this is the x-axis, right? This is x, suppose for this is also x, right? And you can take this origin, this is the y, this is z, right? This is also upper is z. You follow this option. So another suppose another color is blue one, so we are taking, this is the if you extend this is y, and this is x, and this is y. Okay, so now how many faces are there? Can you see? This is, it is having 6 faces. See now take the example of this f1 face is, which one is the f? See, basically this is the box is making, right? We have made the box. It is having 6 faces. And how, suppose second point, you need to remember one thing. If you are working the CAD side, any CAD solver, any CAD platform, to create a design of an object, right? So then what is the procedure? Main standard procedure, you need to create point, right? First point. So I can take new page. How we can create here? So like any CAD platform, how CAD platform mean? CAD में first you need to have points, right? Then you have edge, then you have face, after that you have volume, right? So first points, right? Then edge, then face, then volume. So this is the 1 point, 2 point. This is the entire thing, right? CAD, any CAD platform, if you are creating any object, so it's follow this approach, right? So but like that we have the 0 point, 0 point, 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. Now question is, so now question is how you are going to give the naming, right? So naming. Now question is naming of the point, right? Naming of vertices, right? Now we can make I follow this one. I can make this box. First which color I have to take? I can take any color, right? I will take this one, similar one. So we have this. Again we have so, and we can put it this thing together. Now we can take what is our origin is here. Origin is here, and you can name it. As you know, I named this. I call this X, and this is Z, and this is Y. So if you want naming of the vertex, first you need to follow this circle. Which circle you need to follow? You have to X first X, then Y, then Z, again X. You need to follow this cycle. So suppose I want to give the naming of this point, right? So I want to give the naming of this section. How is naming? So first like 0 means origin means 0. Then you need to move into X direction. Then you need to move the Y direction. Y first, follow this Y direction. So Y direction. Y direction mean you need to go through Y direction mean 2 number. So one more thing you need to remember, first you need to you need to give the name in a particular plane. Don't move the Z direction until unless required. First you need to cover particular plane. Plane also important. Plane mean plane naming completely. Suppose we need to plane, which plane is this? This is the XY plane, right? This is first XY plane at XY plane at Z is equal to 0. This plane is right, and this plane is upper plane is XY plane at Z is equal to Z something, right? Upper. So we have the two plane, one plane, two plane. And we have the similar way, we have the plane at the Z direction. Similar way, we have the plane in the this direction, X direction, right? We have the here by Z plane, right? This is by Z plane at X is equal to 0, right? This plane, this plane. So and after that you need to move. You have the this plane is by Z plane also, right? Again by Z plane at X is equal to X1 something, right? So we have similar way, we have the plane in the Z direction, we have similarly plane, we have the X direction, we have the Y direction, right? So we have the six planes at different faces, right? So how you are going to naming? First you need to have one single you need to complete the one naming in the one plane. Okay, we can plane XY plane Z equal to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what you have to do? You have to follow, you have complete one plane, now you need to follow again Z, right? Now you need to move into Z. So again 3 we have covered, 4, then you need to move again by 5, 6, 7. So we have named the 6 vertices. So yeah, this is the clear to you. Now again question is how you are naming the faces. How you are naming the faces. So first I need to put make again. So it will take only this one. After that I can explain easy other thing easily. So I am just making the box similar way. So this is X, this is Y, and this is Z, right? So now see, we have name already. So this plane is name. First we need to give the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have name all 8 vertices. So now you need to give the name, right? So what are the faces? Suppose you take only the x-axis. In x, if you have the x-axis, if you move x-axis, right? If you move x-axis, then how many planes are there? So one face is there, right? This face. What we call this F1, F0. This face, this side face. If you move the again x is equal to x1, then you have this face. So then if you move there, then we have face again F1. If you move x direction, suppose if you move y direction, if you move by direction is this, right? Y direction this. So mean you have the face this one, front face and back face. But the blue face is the y is equal to this one, right? Blue face and sorry. Oh, one second. If you move by direction, then which face are there? So we have the two faces, right? Similar way में so then you have this face front and back. So mean this face is, which face is this? Tell me. Anybody can tell me? 0? No? This face, this one, this front one and blue one. So what is the name? Tell me. F2 and F3. So and if you move the Z direction, if you move the upper, so down face means top and bottom. Top is F4 and F5. So did you understand this one? This is very important, this face. After that, the naming. See, this the face if you have then so again I am making the again bigger. Why is setting this going into that one? Oh, it's taking this. So because 1 second is getting some problem. So because writing this thing. No. Yes. So it is be better here. So now I am just making similar. Now again we have the block backside block. So and we can make this entire box. So this is our, what is the name of this? 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is our Z, this is our Y, this is our X. Now use right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Okay, right hand thumb rule mean what? Suppose right hand thumb rule, you have suppose your thumb direction, if you are rotating this, right? So then you will have the country, this is your this thumb direction. Then if you rotate this direction, right? And if you have your thumb direction is this, then you will rotate opposite direction. So you need to follow this this thing. So suppose we have suppose if you move in x direction, if you move x direction, what faces we have? We have 0 and 0 or F1, right? 0 or F1. 0, what is the naming of the 0? Right hand thumb rule you can use. just right hand thumb rule you need to use this one. Suppose this is the face, right? 0 means x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to something, right, at one point. Then you have the display. So you x is equal to 0, you have the display, right? X is equal to 0, this plane mean if you have outward normal, you put the normal direction here. Outside the normal, take the thumb direction here and just rotate it. Just suppose I am using this rule, this right hand thumb rule at this my place. So how, suppose this is my direction. So I am just I put in the direction and I am just moving here. So how this is downward, right? So this is the way. So how you are going to naming? And one more thing here, you can start from any point you can start from 0, 4, 3. So 0, 4, 7, 3. So now I am starting from 0 and I am applying this number because you need to give the name of the facing. So starting from 0. So what are the name? 0, 4, 7, 3. 0, 4, 7, 3. So 0, 4, 7, 3. So it, and you can start 4, 7, 4, 7, 3, 0. 4, 7, 3, 0. Right? You can start 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 7, 3, 0, 4. And you can start from 3. You can start 3, 0, 3, 0, 7, 3, 0, 4, 7. You can start. So you can take any value. You will not face any issue. Okay. So that is the main thing you need to follow. You have name of app node. Similar way you can follow F1 face is this one. If you do outside, then it will be move down to up, right? So if you put this rule here, so what is the name of F1 face? You can start from any number. You can start from any number. So tell me, we can start from 2, right? We can start from 2, 6. This is F1. F1 means 2. If you put the 2, right? 2, 6, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 5, 7. Yeah, this is 1, right? 2, 6, 5, 1. So this is the thing. So similar way, you need to put this is the x-axis we have covered, right? You can also start from 6 to, so this also is fine, this also fine, this also fine, this fine. But this the numbering, if you disturb the cycle of the number, right, then you will face many issues. So that is the thing you need to remember. Just I want to tell you this one, the naming side. So now we will cover quickly this one. So now I hope everybody is getting point, right? Getting this BlockMesh utility, how you are going to number or how you are going to this one using. So other people just put the yes or no in the chat window, so that I can get.